I welcome you all. Exercise 1.3. Solve the following equations. Equation number 1 is 2x4 minus 11x square plus 5 equals to 0. Now we are going to discuss all the types, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 and type 5 equations in this exercise, which we were discussed in our previous lesson, how to reduce these types of equations into a quadratic form, and then how to substitute, how to resubstitute and find the roots of the given equation. Okay, one is, let's solve this. Okay, one is 2x4 minus 11x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, how to solve this type of equation? That is the type 1 equation, which can be reduced into a quadratic form. Just substitute x square equals to y. X square equals to y. What becomes if we are going to square on both sides of this? It becomes x4 equals to y square. Just take this substitute and put in equation number 1. Okay, this becomes 2y square minus 11y plus 5 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Here a is 2, b is minus 11, c is 5, ac is 10. Make the factors of this equation. These are 5x square minus 10y minus y plus 5 equals to 0. This becomes 2y, y minus 5 minus 1, y minus 5 equals to 0. Take y minus 5 common. Y minus 5, 2y minus 1 equals to 0. It becomes either y minus 5 equals to 0 or 2y minus 1 equals to 0. This is y equals to 5 and this is y equals to plus 1 by 2. Okay, again substitute y equals to x square, because y equals to 5 and y equals to 1 by 2. These are the roots of the quadratic equation, but we want the roots of the given equation, which is in fourth order. We substitute y equals to x square again. We get x square equals to 5 which is x equals to plus minus square root 5 and x square equals to 1 by 2, which is x square, x equals to plus minus 1 by square root 2. That means solution set is one by square root 2 plus minus and plus minus square root 5. This is the solution set. Okay, second is 2x4 equals to 9x square minus 4. Substitute here x equals to 9 y and x4 equals to y square. You will get 2y square minus 9y plus 4. I also replace the y square and y. We are and also shift some terms to the left. Then sign will also change. Okay. Now again by factorization you can solve this quadratic equation. Because it is a quadratic equation, you can make factors. AC is 8 and the factors are 8 and 1, minus 8 and minus 1. So 2y square minus 8y minus y plus 4 equals to 0. This is 2y, y minus 4 minus 1, y minus 4 equals to 0. This is y minus 4, 2y minus 1 equals to 0. Now either y equals to 4 or 2y minus 1 equals to 0, which is 1 by 2. Again replace y with x square, which is plus minus 2, and x is plus minus 1 by square root 2. Clear? So the solution set is plus minus 1 by square root 2 and plus minus 2. Okay. Question 3. Five x 1 by 2 equals to 7x 1 by 4 minus 2. Okay. What to do with this? First make it in general. Minus 7x 1 by 4 plus 2, shift these two terms to the left. This becomes like this, and you will make substitution. Y equals to x 1 by 4. Clear? You will take this as a substitution. Y equals to 1 by 4. Now what is y square? 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So this equation becomes 5y square minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0. 5 2 times 10. AC is 10. You can make factors. It becomes 5y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 2 equals to 0. It becomes 5y, y minus 1 minus 2, y minus 1 equals to 0. This is y minus 1, 5, y minus 2 equals to 0. Now either y minus 1 equals to 0 or 5y minus 2 equals to 0. This becomes y equals to 1. This becomes y equals to 2 by 5. Just again substitute this y with the substitution, that is 1 by 4 equals to 1. If I am going to take fourth root on both sides, okay, fourth root on both sides, take fourth power on both sides, fourth power on both sides of this equation, then what it is, x equals to 1. So first root is this, and x 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 5. Also take fourth root on both sides for this. This becomes x 1 by 4, fourth root 2 by 5. This is x equals to 16 by 6 to 5. Clear? So the solution set is Solution set is 1 and 16 by 6 to 5. Clear? This is the solution set. Okay, fourth is x2 by 3 plus 54. Fourth is x2 by 3 plus 54 equals to 15x1 by 3. Okay, x2 by 3 minus 15x1 by 3 plus 54 equals to 0. Clear? Now take a substitution. Y equals to, if 1 by 3 takes square on both sides, then it becomes y square equals to x2 by 3. Use this substitution in this equation. This becomes y square minus 15y plus 54 equals to 0. After by factorization, just make factors for this. Factors are y square minus 6y minus 9y plus 54 equals to 0. This becomes, take y as a common, y minus 6, take 9 common, y minus 6 equals to 0. This is y minus 6 y minus 9 equals to 0. Now either y minus 6 equals to 0 or y minus 9 equals to 0. This becomes y equals to 6 and y equals to 9. Again substitute, because 6 and 9 are the roots of this quadratic equation, but we want the roots for this original equation. So again substitute the y, which is x1 by 3 cube 6 cube. It becomes x equals to 216. Now what about y equals to 9? This is x1 by 3 take cube equals to 9 cube. This becomes x equals to 9 cube is 729. So the solution set is 216, 729. These are the roots for the given equation. Okay. Next, 5 is 3x minus 2 plus 5 equals to 8x minus 1. First convert the negative of these variables, convert the negative exponents of these variables into positive. How? Just shift them in the denominator. Plus 5 minus 8 by x equals to 0. Now take LCM. 3 plus 5x square minus 8x equals to 0. This is 5x square minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0. Now there is 5 3 times AC is 15. Make the factors 5 and 3. 5x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. Take 5 common from this 5x. It becomes x minus 1 minus 3 x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 1, 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Now either x minus 1 equals to 0 or it becomes 3 by 5. Now again substitute it. Oh yes, we are not going to substitute again x because we in this equation we just shift that variable x to the denominator. So these are the required roots. So the solution set is 3 by 5 and 1. Clear? Okay, 6. Two x square plus 1 plus 3 by 2x square plus 1 equals to 4. Now this is the type 2 of the equation. 2x square plus 1 is same as 2x square plus 1. Just replace it. 2x square plus 1 equals to y. We get y plus 3 by y equals to 4, which is y square plus 3 equals to 4y. So y square minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Just make the roots. There is a 3 and 1 minus 3 and minus 1. It becomes y square minus 3y minus y plus 3 equals to 0. Y common, y minus 3 minus 1, y minus 3 equals to 0. This is y equals to 3 and y equals to 1. Now again substitute the y. 2x square plus 1 equals to 3. This is 2x square equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. This is x square equals to 1. Now take square root, which is plus minus 1. Okay. 2x square plus 1 equals to 1. This is 2x square equals to 0. So there is x square equals to 0. So there is square root after squaring, it is also 0. So the solution set is zero and plus minus 1. Clear? 7. 7 is x by x minus 3 x by x minus 3 plus 4 x minus 3 by x equals to 4. This becomes, just take LCM, or it may be direct. If you substitute y equals to x by x minus 3. Then what is the reciprocal of this? We can take this substitute. We can take this substitution. It becomes y plus 4 by y equals to 4. Then it becomes y square plus 4 equals to 4y. This is y square minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. Now make the factors. There is a 4. You can make factors as 2 minus 2 minus 2. This becomes y square minus 2y minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. This is y minus 2 and minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. From there you will get y equals to 2 and y equals to 2. After substitution, again substitute y equals to x by x minus 3 equals to 2. It becomes x equals to 2x minus 6. 2x minus x minus 6 equals to 0. This is x minus 6 equals to 0. This is x equals to 6. So the solution set is six. For this is the same. Okay, 8. Eight is 4x plus 1, 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1, 4x plus 1 equals to 1 by 6. This equals to 6 2 times. Multiply these two terms and add the answer with this. 6 2 times 12. 12 plus 1, 13. And denominator is the substitute y equals to 4x plus 1, 4x minus 1. And what is 1 by y? Reciprocal is 4x minus 1 and 4x plus 1. This first equation becomes y plus 1 by y equals to 13 by 6. So y square plus 1 by y equals to 13 by 6. Now just by cross multiplication, 6 into y square plus 1 equals to 13y. This becomes 6y square minus 13y plus 6 equals to 0. Now 6 times 36. What are the factors? 6 and 6. 6y square minus 6y. No, 6 times 36. So the roots are 9 and 4. No mistakes. Roots are minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. 6y, this becomes, no, not 6y, it is 2y. 2 or 3? 3y. 3y, this becomes 2y minus 3 and minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Now this is 2y minus 3 and 3y minus 2 equals to 0. You will get the values of quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation as 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay. Now again substitute y, which we substitute in the at the start of the question, which is 4x plus 1 by 4x minus 1. First one is 3 by 2. After some simplification, you will get x equals to minus 5 by 4 from this, and the second one 4x plus 1, 4x minus 1 equals to 2 by 3. From this you will get x equals to 5 by 4. So the solution set is plus minus 5 by 4. Nine. X minus a x minus a, x plus a, x minus plus a, x minus a equals to 7 by 12. This is same as the previous one, just substitute. You can take substitution y equals to x minus a, x plus a. What is 1 by y? X plus a, x minus a. After substitution you will get y minus 1 by y equals to 7 by 12. Just take LCM on both sides, you will get the quadratic equation, which is y y square. Okay, 12y square minus, this is square not y, y square minus 7y minus 12 equals to 0. AC is 144 and the roots are minus 16 and plus 9. Okay, minus 16, that means y 12y square minus 16y plus 9y minus 12 equals to 0. So the value for y are 4 by 3 and minus 3 by 4. Again substitute this y as x minus a, x plus a equals to 4 by 3. After simplification you will get x equals to minus a, and from this x equals to a by 7. These are the required roots. This is 7. Question 10. Question 10 is a type of reciprocal equation. Okay, I'm going to start this question 10, which is x4 minus 2x cube minus 2x plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. For this equation we discussed in the example, first divide this equation with x square, then combine the terms. When you are divide with x square, it becomes x square minus 2x minus 2 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square equals to 0. Now combine the square and x and constant terms. This becomes x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 x minus 2 by x, sorry, this is 1, 2 is common and the constant is 2. Now substitute, put x minus 1 over x equals to y. Okay, take square on both sides, it becomes y square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is 2. So we can write x square plus 1 by x square equals to y square plus 2. What is this? This equation becomes y minus y square plus 2 minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Take y common. This is y equals to 0, y equals to 2. Now again substitute y equals to the x equals x plus 1 by 2, because these are the 0 and 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation, and we want the roots for the reciprocal equation which is given. So y is x plus 1 over x, which is equals to 0, which is equals to 0. Take LCM on both sides. This becomes x square plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to plus minus 1. What about this? X plus 1 over x equals to 2, x square plus 1 equals to 2x. Now this is a quadratic equation. X square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Just solve it. X square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Here in the substitution there is a negative sign. For this, x minus 1 over x equals to 0, x square minus 1 equals to 0. After take LCM, then x equals to plus minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 over x equals to 2, x square minus 1 equals to 2x, x square minus 2x minus 1. Now it becomes x square minus 2x minus 1. Apply the quadratic formula on this. You will get x equals to plus 1 plus minus square root 2. Solution set is plus minus 1, 1 plus minus square root 2. (11) 2x4 plus x cube minus 6x square plus x plus 2 equals to 0. Now what you will do, step number 1, divide this equation with, always divide the reciprocal equation with x square first, then combine the similar terms. This becomes 2 x square plus x minus 6 plus 1 over x plus 2 by x square equals to 0. Now combine the similar terms. 2 x square plus 1 over x square plus x minus 1 over x minus 6 equals to 0. This is equation 1. Put y equals to x minus 1 over x this is plus. This becomes squaring on x square plus 1 over x plus 2. So y square minus 2 equals to x square plus 1 over x square. So this is 2 y square minus 2 plus y minus 6 equals to 0. This becomes 2y square minus 4 plus y minus 6 equals to 0. This is 2y square plus y minus 10 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Make the factors for this 10, and for 10 there are 2 and 10, 20. AC is 20. So there are the roots or factors for this are 2y square two y square plus 5y minus 4y minus 10 equals to 0. This becomes 2y plus 5 minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. You will get y equals to minus 5 by 2 and 2. Again substitute y. We take y x plus 1 over x equals to minus 5 by 2. After some simplification, you will get x equals to minus 2 minus 1 by 2 from there, and for x plus 1 over x equals to 2. You will get after some simplification x equals to 1. So solution set is 1 minus 1 by 2 and minus 2. Clear? 12. Next is 12. 4.2 x plus 1 minus 9.2 x plus 1. Okay, this is an exponential equation. Why? Because the variable occur in exponents. This is an exponential equation, and how to solve it? First, as an example, first separate this 2x2 minus 9 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Same formula when bases are same, exponents are added. I use this formula here. Okay, put this equals to y, take square on both sides, 2x. Okay, now what about 4y square dot 2 minus 9y plus 1 equals to 0. This becomes 8y square minus 9y plus 1 equals to 0. Make the factors or apply formula. You will get the roots for it, y1 and y1 by 8. Do this by yourself, okay? 1 and 1 by 8. But if you feel any difficulty to find the roots for this, you can ask in comments, okay? Again, substitute y equals to 2 exponent x, because these 1 and 1 by 8 are the roots of the quadratic equation, but we want the roots of our given exponential equation. So y equals to 2 x 1, and the second is 1 by 8. Now compare the exponents for finding the roots. How? Like this is 2x, we can write 1 as this. Now just compare the exponents. First 0, for this 2x equals 2, we can write 2 cube, or 2x equals to 2 minus 3. So x is minus 3. That means solution set is minus 3 and 0. Solution set is minus 3 and 0. Okay. 13. Is 3, 2x plus 2. This is also exponential equation. This is 3. First separate the exponents. Okay. Put y equals to 3 exponent x, then y square is 3 2x. This becomes y square and y 3 square is 9 minus 12y minus 3 equals to 0. This is plus 3, because when I shift it on the left, the sign will change. Okay. Make some roots. After factorization, you will get y equals to 1 and 3 by 9. Again substitute y equals to 3x equals to 1 and 3x equals to 3 by 9. Okay, 3x equals to, can I write this as 3 exponent 0? It becomes x 0, and for this 3x equals to 1 by 3, which is 3 minus 1. Compare the exponents, you will get x minus 1. So the solution set is minus 1 and 0. Clear? 14. 2x plus 64 to minus x minus 20 equals to 0. First separate the exponents. 2x plus 64, make it positive. Now this is the equation of type 2. P of x and P of x are same. Just put y equals to 2x. You will get y plus 64 by y minus 20. Make the quadratic equation for this after taking LCM. The quadratic equation for this is y square. I am going to write it directly, but you will find it. Okay, y square. Do not miss any step. Minus 20 plus 64 equals to 0. Okay, make factors. When you are going to make factors and after factorization, factors for this are minus 16 and minus 4. This becomes y equals to 4 and 16. 4 and 16. Okay, now replace it as 2x equals to 4, which is 2, 2. So x is 2. And 2x equals to 16, which is 2 cube. So compare the exponents, which is 3. So solution set is 2 and 3. Oh yeah. There is 4. So the answer is 2, 4. Okay, 2 and 4 are the roots of the given equation, given exponential equation. Okay, 15. X plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 5, x minus 7 equals to 192. Now you know how to solve this with the help of your last equation for this last example, which we discussed in our last lesson, that 1, if I am going to 1 minus 5 equals to 3 plus minus 7. What are the ABC? 1, 3, minus 5 and minus 7. Just arrange them in such a way that your left and right side of the equation must be equal. Okay, just arrange it according to your choice. This becomes, so I am going to make pairs. First pair is x plus 1 and x minus 5. Second pair is x plus 3 and x minus 7 equals to 192. Clear? Okay. Now just multiply these two terms, you will get a quadratic equation. I am going to write this equation directly for both. First one is x square minus 4x minus 5 and x square minus 4x minus 5 equals to 192. Here x square minus 4x and it is also x square minus 4x. Put y equals to x square minus 4x. It becomes y minus 5, y minus 5. This is 21, sorry, not 5. Seven, 3, 21. Okay, 21 equals to 192. This becomes y square minus 26y minus 87 equals to 0. Apply quadratic formula. You will get y equals to 29 and y equals to minus 3. Again substitute y, which is x square minus 4. X square minus 4 equals to 29 and x square minus 4 equals to minus 3. Okay, this is x square equals to 29 plus 4 x square minus 4x. Again it is a quadratic equation. x square minus 4x equals to 29, x square minus 4x equals to minus 3. Now these are again two quadratic equations. Convert this in standard form. Apply formula, quadratic formula. You will get x equals to 2 plus minus square root 33, and from this x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. This becomes x equals to 3 and 1. So solution set is 1, 3, 2 plus minus square root 33. Clear? Okay, 16. Last one. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 8, x minus 5 plus 5 equals to 360. Okay, there is plus 360 equals to 0. Now there are constants. The constants are minus 1, minus 2, minus 8 and plus 5. Now how you will make the pairs? Minus 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 8 plus 5, which is minus 3. This is also minus 3. So make pairs for x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 8, x plus 5 plus 360 equals to 0. After some multiplication, okay, multiply the terms, you will get y square minus 38y plus 280 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation which you will get after some multiplication of this above equation. Okay, and this substitution you will get y in this is y equals to x square minus 3x. Okay, this is a substitution which you will make when this becomes a quadratic and when this becomes a quadratic, and then you put y equals to x square minus 3x. You will get this y square minus 38 y plus 280 equals to 0. Okay, apply formula, you will get y equals to 28 and 10. Now put again y equals to x square minus 3x equals to 28, and second is x square minus 3x equals to 10. This becomes x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 0, x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, apply formula again, or by factorization you will get x equals to 7 and minus 4, and from this you will get x equals to 5 and minus 2. So the solution set is minus 4, minus 2, 5 and 7. Thank you.